I've been using the Credit Karma mobile app for a while now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review on the Credit Karma app. I'll cover all the main points, from key features to risks and considerations. So by the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of the Credit Karma mobile app. First, let's look at what the Credit Karma app offers. The app provides free credit score tracking from TransUnion and Equifax, making it easier to monitor your financial health. It also gives you detailed credit reports and personalized recommendations for credit cards, loans, and even auto insurance based on your credit profile. Plus, the app features credit monitoring alerts, notifying you of any significant changes to your credit report, which is a valuable tool for fraud prevention. However, the Credit Karma app isn't without its downsides. While the app provides a free service, the credit scores it offers may not always align with the scores lenders use, as it relies on VantageScore instead of FICO. Some users also report occasional syncing issues or delays in credit updates. Additionally, the app contains ads for financial products, which can feel intrusive for some users. Overall, the Credit Karma mobile app is a strong option for those looking to monitor their credit and discover personalized financial products. As always, do consider speaking with an expert before making any decisions. Well, that's all for this video. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, make sure you give this video a super thanks by clicking on this heart icon to help support the channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We'll see you in the next one.